Money-Making Mom by Crystal Paine, Financial Freedom. Welcome to yourbooksummary.com. Crystal Paine, the founder of the popular blog MoneySavingMom.com, and her husband Jesse achieved financial freedom through years of penny pinching, debt-free living, and hard work. They could move from Nashville, Tennessee, to Wichita, Kansas, because they had the financial freedom to do so. The phrase financial freedom can mean different things to different people. For Paine, it means having enough money to cover her family's monthly bills and expenses. Others may define it as having savings or investments, reducing debt, or being able to send their children to college or retire comfortably. Regardless of the definition, financial freedom means having more than just a survival income and being able to live intentionally with your money. Financial freedom can be achieved without superhuman effort or making boatloads of money. Regardless of family situation, age, or education, anyone can achieve their goals if they remain open-minded, work hard, and persevere. I hope you found the information about Money-Making Mom by Crystal Paine. If you're interested in learning more about the book, stay tuned for the next part of this series where we'll dive into the next section. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.